Hi there, my name is Lois Cox, and I've been a full-time realtor for over 25 years, and I've been blessed with the most wonderful clients. One of the best pieces of advice I can give new agents is you have to treat real estate as your own business. Repeat after me, I am my own boss. Therefore, if I don't make money, then my business will not survive. Every day, you must be self-motivated to move forward in this business. People think being a real estate agent is easy, but it isn't. You have to put forth the effort that is required to make this business work. Ask yourself every day. Number one, if I worked for a company that required me to perform, would I still have my job? Number two, was my day real estate productive, or did I waste my time doing non-productive activities? Most importantly, you must educate yourself and be willing to ask questions and always be learning. Bay East can be a wealth of knowledge for you through their many classes that are offered. Best of luck in your real estate career.